Rumble. Boom! Oh no, a big storm is coming. Wee-woo! Wee-woo! Emergency! Time for our mission. Pitter-patter. This shortcut looks dangerous. Screech! Crash! Help! The ramp collapsed! I'm stuck! Vroom! Splash! Hang on, we're coming to help. Screech! Flash! There you are. We see you. Clank. Okay, hooked on. Now, pull. Grrr, pop! You're free! We did it! Swish, gurgle, look out! The water is rising. It's a flood. Whoosh! Help! We're being washed away! Splash! We're trapped down here. We can't get out. Vroom! Look, our little friends need help down there. Swoosh! Easy does it. Almost there. Heave-ho! Got you! You're both safe now. Creak, snap! Whoa, the bridge is breaking! Wobble, wobble! Help me! I'm going to fall! Vroom! Don't worry, friend. We're here. Click, clink. I'll push, you pull. Grrr, all together now. Pull! Thump, you're safe. We did it. Swoosh, now there's a blizzard in the mountains. Screech, boop. Oh no, I crashed into the snow. Blink, blink. I'm stuck. I can't get out. Crunch, crunch. We're coming even through the snow. Shine, we see you. We're here to help. Click. Okay, the chains are on. Ready? Thwomp, you're free. We saved everyone. Hooray! The storm is over. Time for a victory parade.
Dark clouds gather, thunder rolls in our little diorama world. A mighty storm is taking hold, a story waiting to unfold. Red fire truck on a rusty ramp, trying to get back to the station camp. With a curse-style crack and a twisted trap. Wheels are spinning, there's no turning back. Alarm bell rings, the garage door flies. Red and yellow heroes rise. Hear the call through the wind and rain. Two brave tractors, a mighty chain. Headlights cutting through the dark, leaving tire tracks making their mark. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue you. Tiny scooter, a van of green, swept away in a watery scene. Down in the drain, they can't break free. A tiny cry, come rescue me. Then a crane truck sways on a bridge of wood, dangling high where it shouldn't have stood. Hear the call through the wind and rain. Two brave tractors, a mighty chain. Headlights cutting through the dark, leaving tire tracks making their mark. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue you. The storm gets worse, a blizzard's might. A purple pickup lost in white, buried deep in a drift of snow. No way out, nowhere to go. But through the storm, two engines roar, ready now for one storm more. Hear the call through the wind and snow. Two brave tractors, watch them go. Headlights cutting through the white, shining oh so very bright. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue you. The clouds all part, the sun shines bright. All the toys are safe tonight. Driving home in a victory line, everyone is feeling fine. Side by side, a happy crew, a rescue team will see you through. Yeah, our rescue team will see you through.
Today's hero? The fire truck. Boing, boing. Ready for action. Oh no, there's a fire. Nina, Nina, Emergency dispatch. Let's put out the fire. Whoosh. Oh, so dirty. Time to get clean. Swoosh. Who's this? The police car. Boing, boing. Warming up for patrol. Uh-oh, it's a thief. Stop that thief. Whee, whee. Freeze. You're under arrest. Mission complete. Let's get shiny again. Does anyone need help? The ambulance. Boing, boing. A gentle warm-up. Oh dear, there's been an accident. Are you okay? We're on our way. Heave ho! You're safe now. Covered in mud. It's bath time. Hey kids, time for school. The school bus. Wiggle, wiggle. This is fun. The kids are waiting. Vroom, vroom. Let's go get our friends. We're here. Everyone arrived safely. Great job today. Time for a wash. Let's clean the city. The garbage truck. Thump, thump. Full of power. Yikes, the street is a mess. All right, let's start cleaning. I'll eat it all. Num num. Ah, so refreshing. All clean.
In the backyard, bright and sunny day. Open up the toy box, time to come and play. 5 little heroes ready for the call, standing by to help out one and all. Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. First up is the fire truck, shiny red and bright.
Oh no, a little toy house, a flickering orange light.
Ladder up and water sprays, a whoosh and a splash.
Puts the fire out now in a single dash.
Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. Here comes the police car in blue and purest white,
A little toy thief is running with all of his might.
chasing down the pathway. We will go.
Blocks the way and saves the day, a hero's happy glow.
Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. The ambulance is gentle, the school bus is so kind.
Helping falling toys up, leaving no one behind.
The garbage truck is hungry, munching trash with glee.
Making our whole backyard clean for you and me.
The busy day is over, the sun is getting low. Time to wash the dust off with a bubbly flow. Clean and park together, shining in a row. Good night, our backyard heroes, ready for tomorrow. Good night, everyone. So sad.
Ooh, look at all the grimy and dusty friends. The excavator is covered in dirt. Cough, cough. Let's get you all clean. Up we go. Whoosh. Time for a nice, cool bath. Wow. Sparkle, sparkle. Squeaky clean and good as new. This bulldozer is covered in snow and dirt. Achoo! Come on now. Up you go. Splish. Let's wash all that grime away. Ta-da! A bright blue bulldozer again. So sticky. It's covered in yucky black oil. You're all oily. Time for a wash. Splash! Wash away all that slippery oil. Sparkle, sparkle. What a cool yellow dump truck. Yikes! It's a gooey, glopey mud monster. Don't worry, Muddy Roller. I'll rescue you. Up we go. Whoosh! Blast all that mud away. Swish, swish. So smooth and shiny. The road roller is brand new again. Oh my! All tangled in spider webs. Cuff, cuff. Let's get these webs off and give you a bath. Alley-oop. Splash. Whoosh. Look at the spider webs wash away. Bling, bling. The red crane looks so strong. Vroom, vroom. Look at that dusty cement mixer. You're all gray with dust. Come here. Gotcha. Splash. Let's spin and get you clean. Swirl, swirl. Squeaky clean. The bright green is back. So fresh. Sparkle, sparkle. All the clean construction friends are here. Yay!
Dirty toys, what a messy crew. Time for a wash to make you brand new. Orange excavator covered in brown dust. Looking so sad, its shiny color lost. A gentle hand comes down from the sky, picks you up gently and says, "Don't you cry!" Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Blue bulldozer in the snow and dirt, with the gloomy face feeling a little hurt. Yellow dump truck with oily sticky streaks, hasn't felt shiny for so many weeks. Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Muddy road roller can't even move. Red crane and spider webs losing its groove. Green cement mixer all dusty and gray. The big water shower is coming to save the day. Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Look at them now, so bright and so clean. Orange, blue, yellow, red, and green. Sparkle, sparkle, what a happy team. Ready to play now, what a happy dream. All clean. Yay!
Vroom, vroom. The red dump truck races along,
Full of soil. Oh no! The road has ended. Its front wheels stop right at the dangerous edge. Whoa! It falls right into the river. Splash! After losing all its soil, it floats helplessly down the river. Now, a green mixer truck appears. Whir, whir! It drives along, spinning its drum. Oops! It hits a little stone and flies into the air. Spinning and tumbling, it falls into the water. Kerplunk! The mixer truck is upside down now, drifting next to its friends. Here comes the super strong yellow bulldozer. Rumble! But even the mighty bulldozer can't stop on the slippery edge. Oh no! With a big cloud of dust, it plunges into the water too. The heavy bulldozer sinks deep, all the way to the riverbed. All three friends are trapped in the river and can't move. What will they do? Look! Far over the hill, a blue truck appears. Could it be? It's the blue tow truck, here to save the day. It's finally here. The blue tow truck bravely drives towards the dangerous riverside. It moves its crane, figuring out how to rescue its friends. Okay, first lowers its hook. Underwater, it finds the dump truck and hooks on tight. Clank! Heave ho! It powerfully lifts the wet dump truck. The first rescue is a success. Now, it carefully places the truck onto safe, dry land. Without a rest, it moves to rescue the second friend, the mixer truck. As the crane lifts the overturned truck, it spins back upright. Now, two friends stand side by side, watching the final rescue. The most difficult rescue, finding the bulldozer at the bottom of the river. Wow! With a mighty pull, it finally lifts the heavy bulldozer out of the water. Thanks to the hero tow truck, all three friends have been rescued safely. The friends shake their wheels, wiggling the last drops of water off. Now they follow the tow truck, leaving the dangerous river behind. 4 brave vehicles heading towards a bright future together.
On a road so sunny and bright, 3 little trucks a happy sight. Red and green and yellow too. Vroom, 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 the whole day through. Red dump truck was driving fast, a happy moment meant to last. But the road ahead gave way. Splash! He fell in, oh what a day. Help me was his cry as he floated slowly by. Green mixer bounced upon a stone, and with a little whirring groan, yellow dozer slipped and slid right into the place we hid. Now all 3 friends were in the stream, a very scary, watery dream.
But wait, who's coming strong and true? It's the brave tow truck, painted blue. Go, 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 blue tow truck, go, lifting friends up from below. With your mighty hook and crane, you will save them once again.
Down goes the hook with a little clink, pulls red dumper from the brink. Then green mixer spinning round is placed back safely on the ground. And yellow dozer from the deep, while his 2 friends watch and cheer.
Hooray, he's coming strong and true. It's the brave tow truck, painted blue. Go, 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 blue tow truck, go, lifting friends up from below. With your mighty hook and crane, you have saved them once again.
3 little trucks are safe and sound on the solid, happy ground, following the hero blue and bright, driving off into the light. Vroom, 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 the adventure's done. Helping friends is always fun.
Vroom, vroom, racing happily down the winding dirt road. Screech! Oh no! The road is crumbling! The wheels are hanging in the air. Rumble. The ground gives way and I'm tipping over. Tumble, tumble, crash! I'm rolling all the way down the hill. Splash! I fell right into the chilly stream. Oh, I'm stuck in the water. Somebody, help me! Wee-woo, wee-woo! A friend is in trouble. The rescue team is on its way, lowering the rescue chain down carefully. Clink! Okay, it's hooked on tight and secure. Heave ho! Pull! Everyone, pull together with all your might! Drip, drip. The water is draining and I'm upright again. We did it! Now let's carefully pull you to safe ground. Vroom, vroom. I wonder what new adventure awaits today. Screech! Whoa! What's that big muddy puddle up ahead? Squish! Oh no! My wheels are sinking in the thick mud! Kerplunk! I flipped over and fell right into the muddy water. Wee-woo, wee-woo! Another emergency! The crane truck is racing to the rescue. You're completely underwater. Don't worry, we'll get you out. Splash! The heavy rescue chain is dropping into the murky water. Clink! Got it! The chain is hooked to the truck underwater. Slowly lifting our friend out of the muddy water. Thud! Setting you down, check you're free!
Thank you so much! Honk honk! Vroom vroom! All the brave truck friends are heading home together.
Vroom vroom on a sunny day, wheels are spinning, come and play. Let's go driving, you and me, happy as a truck can be. Orange tanker on the winding track, sees a corner, can't turn back. The ground goes crumble, a little slip, splash right in the stream it dips. Oh no, help, the tanker cries with worried little headlight eyes. Wee woo, don't you fear, your amazing friends are here. With a hook and with a chain, we will save the day again. Honk, honk, hooray! Yellow dumper, fresh and new, doesn't see the muddy goo. The wheels sink down, a wibble wobble, kerplunk, now he's in a lot of trouble. Upside down and stuck so tight, everything has gone